Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my weekly plan with me. I am using my Everything Pumpkin Spice Kit, and it is available right now in the shop for in the standard form, which I'm using today. I also have a mini kit version and 3 daily options. So if you have the Daily Duo, the Plum Paper Regular, or the Plum Paper A5, then I have those for you. This Wednesday, I will be showing you how I use the same kit, but in the A5. So make sure you're subscribed so you can check that one out. Okay, so let's get to this week. I'm going to be doing a fairly quick plan with me because one, we have the AC turned off because it's nice outside, but like it's 80. So I don't have air conditioning on and I had to turn the fan off to make this video. So it's getting hot in here very quickly. Also, I'm playing with the lighting. I cannot find my little light stands that would go perfect right here and perfectly light this. So I'm using it kind of janky wise. I got things set up funny. Watch the studio vlog if you want to see how I did it. I will make sure to do that. Also, all my plans for this week got canceled because of, you guessed it, COVID. This why everything is getting canceled. So, I mean, I understand that I live in a college town, and so we just had an influx and people are not being awesome like they should be and thinking of others, and I totally messed that up. Oh well. Aren't thinking of others, and so they're going out and partying and all that stuff, and it's just annoying because that means that I'm stuck inside and can't even go to my nephew's baseball game, which has been canceled for the foreseeable future, which sucks. But anyways, I digress. So this is just going to be a super simple, basic layout using this standard kit. I have been trying to like get myself to go out and be more social, you know, obviously social distancing, being safe. I have a mask and it has a really good filter in it. It is that does viruses and stuff like that. So it's not just like a regular mask. It's got a filter in it. And I was going to go to church this week, and last minute I chickened out because the numbers in town just skyrocketed and I just couldn't get myself to do it. So yeah, I guess the moral of that story is I'm a big old chicken. No, but hopefully things will calm down a little bit and I will be able to go next week because we're doing this series at my church, which is they incorporate movies into it, and it's really cool. And I don't know, for me, when going to church online is fine every once in a while, but it's just not the same as being in person, you know, and feeling the energy of the room and all that kind of stuff. So I have definitely been missing that. As per usual lately, if you are new and don't know it, the sounds in the background are my kitten, Daisy. If you want to see lots of her, make sure you're following me on things like Instagram and on here because she is a staple in those places now. Ooh, that came out perfect. Woohoo. Okay. So because we're going to go super basic this week and I'm not sure what's going to go, I'm going to do like a very classic, I think, way of doing it. How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? I kind of want to put a checklist on, I don't want green all the way across though. How am I going to do this, guys? I figured it out. I'm going to do super like old school, almost basic. So we're gonna do to do up here. No, because I don't want to do green. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms. I totally just ripped the paper. Save the paper. Won't somebody think of the paper? Okay, so I'm going to use the today on the top. And we're just going to do a straight across. And I'm not, see, I am trying to hurry too much, and because of that, I am making a mess of this plan with me. I'm going to do headers across here, and then I am going to do the full boxes where they cover this part up, and then I'm going to put the butterfly headers here. Maybe like that. Darn it, it's not going to work. Do I want to do it like that or like this? Is it weirder to have... I wish more planners would not have these lines. It's just annoying. Because, yeah. I could put to do under here even though it wouldn't be to do and go super classic. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments of what you are rooting me for, like, to do. I think I'm gonna do it this way because I know I want, since we're going classic, I'm going classic. We're gonna put this one here. I don't really like the green on this next one, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna do like that. So I can just go through and do these real fast because it's just fitting perfectly with a little line. Totally okay with that. And yeah. Now, fun fact about me, I don't actually like pumpkin spice lattes. I think they are absolutely disgusting. And I know I am in the minority. And I am okay with that because everyone likes what they like, you know? I just have never been a pumpkin fan, so that's where that comes from. I think it's great if you love pumpkin spice. Like, I think that's awesome, but it is definitely not my jam. I get excited for like the salted caramel and the creme brulee one and all those kinds of drinks. My favorite like go-to drink is a caramel macchiato. I actually make one at home every day using the International Delights stuff creamer, non-dairy creamer. So that is my jam for sure. Let's see, we get these headers down. What is your favorite drink? Are you a pumpkin spice latte drinker or not? Let me know. I'm really curious how many of you are pumpkin spice drinkers. Oh my gosh, it's getting so hot. I told myself I had to film this video before I went and got dinner because I'm treating myself to some Panera. Because I am on my own for dinner tonight and I don't feel like cooking for just one. So why did I grab these two? Habits. Habits, habits, habits. My leg is being licked right now. Someone is wanting attention. What's up, baby? What's wrong? You needed some nubbins? Okay, so let's get these in like this. Oh, I can hear her trying to get up here. She knows she's not allowed up on this table because this table also has my printer and my cutter. So I just don't want her up here messing with it, you know, when she could easily break something. We don't want that. So, okay. So I do know like one thing that is happening. One whole thing, and that's tomorrow. Actually, two things. I lied. I'm sorry. You can fire me now. Two whole things. Where's the sheet with the, there it is. Okay, so first is, it is payday for me and millions of others. So I'm going to put this little washi strip down and this like so. That's super cute. And then it is a laundry day for me, so I'm going to take one of these Tigeros that come with the kit, and then I'm going to take, which sheet is it on this one? One of these individual checklists or check boxes right here, and I'm gonna put it over here, and then I'll write, I need to get scissors or tweezers like Gwen has. And then I'll just put laundry there. But yeah, there's my exciting week. I really should put the numbers in here too, but I'll do that later. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed, oh, let me get you all the way in. I hope you enjoyed this week's plan with me. I know it's really simple, but I kind of like how I threw it back, like old school planning. So yeah, let me know if you liked this in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.